Hey guys, look what I got. A huge sweet potato that they dig in Jamaica. This thing is about 6 pounds. And I think the best way to eat this is to roast it on my charcoal fire outside. And not sure what I'm gonna eat it with yet, but let's see. All right, so let's go get this fire started, because this sweet potato nah go waste. It's come from too far it waste. All right, welcome to the United States of America, Mr. Sweet Potato, all the way from Jamaica, all the way from Clarendon, that red dirt. Look at this big sweet potato, guys. All right, start up the fire and we are gonna roast this bad boy right here. Not sure yet what we're gonna eat it with, but it's gonna be eaten. All right, let's head on outside. Catching up my coal fire for roast my potato. Got fire blazing. Yes guys, it's roasting very nicely and it's hot out here. Oh boy. Still haven't decided what I'm gonna eat with this, but I'm sure once it's done I'll figure it out. Stay tuned guys for my roast sweet potato all the way from Jamaica, fresh dig, sent to the US. And I'm roasting this bad boy up. Alright, stay tuned guys. The rain is coming down. It's a beautiful day. And my banana tree, my tomato, my scotch bonnet pepper, my little stuff them in my garden is getting some well needed rain. I even well needed it. Actually been raining on and off for a while, but the time is so hot that As soon as the rain pour down, the place is dry again. So you really need this rain. The rest of my banana tree, after I took about 10 of them out, and they're sitting right there, it was just too many. So I declutter. Started with one banana tree and ended up with 29. One shoot last year, but it wasn't, the summer wasn't long enough for me to eat banana off of it. Had like 3 small hands, but we didn't have time to come to fruition. So I try my hand again this year with that one right there in the middle. That big one right there. That's the oldest one in the garden, so I'm gonna try that one. Hopefully it works out. Somebody told me that I should remove some of them, so all the nutrients and all the strength go to that one. I'm waiting for 2 of my friends to pick up those other 2, and then all I'm gonna have is just that big one and the one behind it. So I'm gonna try again, and if I see any more small ones coming up, I'm just gonna take them off. Yep. Growing banana tree in New York. Hoping for banana. I don't know. We'll see. And the rain is coming down harder. So I took the potato off the direct heat and put it to the side so it can soak without burning. So I'm just going to keep turning it until I feel it soft. So I kind of, like I said, took it off the direct heat and just put it to the side. So I'm just going to keep it to the side for a while until it's soaked. Rainy, rainy day. And I just finished cutting the grass. 5 minutes later, here comes the rain. Set my bucket to catch rainwater for my plants inside. I could smell that potato. Oh my. Hey guys, so I decided to have this with some cook up saltfish with onions, peppers, and a little bit of vinegar just to give it that escovitch taste. And so I pour it over my potato after, you know, cutting it in small pieces. Pour it and make sure that it get into all of my potato. And guys, this with the sweetness from the potato, the flavor from the potato, the aroma, and the saltfish and the onions and peppers smells amazing. Guys, I'm gonna enjoy this with a glass of lemonade. See you on my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Peace. See you on my next video.